ka Press Information Bureau Shillong haka jinga trelang bat ka Meghalaya Police haka arpu nyau terik jeliu hajar arpu saw kala penlong ya ka Jinghikai ne ka vartalab Halor kilai Tylli ki an da Thymmai kata ka Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita BNS hajar arpu lai Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita BNSS hajar arpu lai bat ka Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam BSA hajar arpu lai Hakani kasngi na kalyang kinongkran kila batay Halor kini kian kiba Thymmai kiban sa pentri kam shen nadu kashitar gunaitung hajar arpusaw hakari India barok away. Hakani kasngi la yoru ya ka presentation ban penshay shushu Halor kini kian hakaba kila batay ya kijingyo jing bentoy lada ya kani kaan en pentri kam. Kinongkran hakani kasngi kila batay ru Halor bun ki AKA kamtam katnat Pulit kahabande. Ban sungtu shushu Halor kini kian tungin ya sengap ya kajing batay bat ka presentation na kini kinongkran.
Section 379 punishment for theft will be replaced by Section 303 of BNS. Section 376 punishment for rape will be replaced by Section 64 of BNS. Section 420 punishment for cheating it will be replaced by Section 318 of BNS. Section 498A, woman subjected to cruelty by husband, it will be replaced by Section 85 of BNS. Section 120B, criminal conspiracy, punishment for criminal conspiracy, it will be replaced by Section 61 of BNS.
Existing laws relevant to contemporary situation and to provide speedy justice to common man. So therefore, these new criminal laws were enacted. As mentioned earlier, the Indian Penal Code is a law which was enacted in the colonial era, which has seen many amendments, but there are still some traces of colonial philosophies entrenched in the Indian Penal Code. For instance, the focus of the IPC or the Indian Penal Code is on punishment of the criminals. Hence, the law itself or the act itself was called the Indian Penal Code. Also, there were some sections of the Indian Penal Code which were instruments of colonial control over the public. For instance, Section 124A of the IPC, which makes sedition a crime. Such archaic colonial sections have been deleted in the new law, namely the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita or the BNS. Similarly, archaic sections like Section 377, which relates to unnatural sex, and Section 497 IPC, which relates to adultery, have also been deleted in the BNS. However, the BNS has introduced some changes by introducing community service as a new mode of punishment. The term transgender has been defined. Organized crimes, terrorist acts, mob lynching, etc. have been added in the new BNS. BNS or the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, as the name suggests, focuses on Nyaya or justice. Hence the name Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Hence, we can see that the lawmakers have shifted the focus from punishment towards justice. Hence, the transition from the Indian Penal Code to the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. The other reason why the old criminal laws have been renamed or Hindi names is the attempt to do away with the nomenclature of the colonial past and to Indianize the new criminal laws. Similarly, the Criminal Procedure Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 prescribes procedures for administering the criminal justice system. Fast and efficient justice system is an essential component of good governance. However, delay in delivery of justice due to complex legal procedures, largely made mandatory for petty cases, the accused persons may also be examined through electronic means like video conferencing, and the magisterial system has also been streamlined. The Indian Evidence Act was enacted in the year 1872 and has been in use with some amendments, but the Indian Evidence Act does not address the technological advancements which the country has undergone in the last few decades. The new law, that is the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 or the BSA, provides for evidence to be provided electronically and permit appearances of witnesses, accused persons, experts and victims through electronic means like video conferencing. BSA also provides admissibility of electronic or digital record as evidence, and digital evidence is now treated as on par with other forms of evidence like paper records, documents, etc. BSA also seeks to expand the scope of secondary evidence to include copies made from originals under certain conditions. The BSA also seeks to put limits on the facts which are admissible and its certification as such in the courts. In conclusion, the transition from the old criminal laws to the new criminal laws is the need of the hour, which makes the criminal justice system more citizen-friendly, more accessible to the public, and more transparent. However, there will be challenges in the implementation of the new criminal laws, which will come into effect from the 1st of July 2024. But I am optimistic that the new criminal laws will not only serve the people of India in the manner in which it was intended to, but the new criminal laws will remain to be relevant for a long time in future also, and since it has been made future ready with the new amendments. With this, I conclude.